Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the TOPDON SmartDiag Mini OBD2 scanner. If you're into DIY car maintenance or just want to keep tabs on your vehicle's health, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the features, performance, and overall experience of this compact yet powerful OBD2 scanner. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's talk about the design. The SmartDiag Mini is a pocket-sized device, and as they say, good things come in small packages. Its sleek design makes it easy to handle, and you won't have any trouble storing it in your glove compartment or pocket. Here are some of the features of the TOPDON SmartDiag Mini OBD2 scanner. Read and clear trouble codes. This is the most basic function of any OBD2 scanner, and the TOPDON SmartDiag Mini does it well. It can read trouble codes from all modules of your car, not just the engine. It can also clear trouble codes, which can help you reset your check engine light. View live data. The TOPDON SmartDiag Mini can display live data from your car's sensors, such as engine speed, coolant temperature, and oxygen sensor voltage. This can be helpful for diagnosing problems or monitoring the health of your car. Perform maintenance tasks. The TOPDON SmartDiag Mini can perform a number of maintenance tasks, such as oil resets, battery registrations, and throttle adaptations. This can save you time and money by avoiding having to take your car to a mechanic. Easy to use. The TOPDON SmartDiag Mini is very easy to use. The app is well designed and easy to navigate, even for people who are not familiar with car repair. Affordable. The TOPDON SmartDiag Mini is one of the most affordable OBD2 scanners on the market. One of the standout features of the SmartDiag Mini is its compatibility. It works with most OBD2 compliant vehicles, covering a wide range of makes and models. Whether you have a sedan, SUV, or even a hybrid, chances are this little guy has you covered. Connecting the SmartDiag Mini is a breeze. Simply plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Once connected, fire up the companion app on your smartphone, available for both iOS and Android, and you're ready to roll. Here are some pros and cons about TOPDON SmartDiag Mini. Pros: affordable, easy to use, accurate readings, wide range of features, supports all OBD2 protocols. Cons: app can be slow at times, limited customer support. In conclusion, the TOPDON SmartDiag Mini OBD2 scanner is a must-have for anyone looking to take control of their car's health. Its compact design, extensive compatibility, and user-friendly app make it a valuable tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Trust me, this little gadget packs a punch. So there you have it, the TOPDON SmartDiag Mini OBD2 scanner. If you're ready to elevate your car maintenance game, give it a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay tech savvy.